स्टुडंट्स वेलकम टू एक्सेल ट्युशन. मुलांनो, एक्सेल ट्युशन गोवा बोर्ड या चॅनलमध्ये तुमचं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. माझी डोंगरी डोंगरी या इयत्ता 6वीच्या मराठी NEPच्या पुस्तकातील ही कविता आहे. त्याचे एक्सप्लेनेशन मी ऑलरेडी मराठीतून अपलोड केलेलं आहे. आता काही स्टुडंट्सच्या रिक्वेस्टनुसार हे एक्सप्लेनेशन मी इंग्लिशमधून करणार आहे. आय एम एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस पोएम इन इंग्लिश. Already Marathi explanation is uploaded on Excel Tuition Goa board. So let us start. First stanza of माझी डोंगरी डोंगरी is माझी डोंगरी डोंगरी अघनाशिनीच्या तीरी तिथे शामेळीचा गाजा घुमटाची लयकारी. The poet says that his village named Dongari is situated on the bank of river Aghanashini. In his village one can hear a musical instrument like shamer and gumet. This shamer and gumet are the instrument, that is traditional instrument which are played in the poet's village. Second stanza is माझ्या डोंगरीत घुमे पिढ्या पिढ्यांचा रे ढोल मंद वाजते सुवारी तिला काळजाची ओल. In poet's village music of ढोल, that is drum, is played across many generations. It refers to the music passed down, cherished and played continuously through many generations with love and affection. Music that brings moisture to the heart and soul. Soul-soothing music that is deeply emotional, comforting and touches his heart. Students, if you like the content of Excel Tuition Goa board, then kindly share to your friends. I request you to watch the full video. Don't skip the video because some additional questions, answers are MCQs, etc. are added to the video. Do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Next stanza is राम शोधित घुमते कृष्ण भटाची रे वाणी त्याच्या गोड अभंगात नाते मानशीचे पाणी. The village is now prosperous and happy due to the blessing of goddess Sati. भरी सुखाचे रांजन means intense enjoyment and delight of great happiness due to the blessing of goddess Sati. The Abhanga, one of the traditional devotional song which has been sung in the village, flourishes the devotional path of the villagers. It says God is not distant but it present everywhere. Next stanza is माझ्या डोंगर पर्वती काजू आंब्याचा दरवळ चाले सैमाचे भजन वारा वाजवतो टाळ. On the mountains of these villages the mangoes and cashews are planted and the smell of the ripe fruits is spread all over the village. The wind is playing tal. Tal means a musical instrument and the nature is singing a bhajan there. Bhajan is the devotional song. Now we'll go to the next stanza. खाडी वाहते लयित तिला साथ दाणशांची तिच्या कुशीत पिकती शेते सोन कणसांची. खाडी means creek or the tidal river where the river and the sea meets, that place. The Khadi, the tidal river, is flowing in a streamlined manner. The land on the bank of this river, the cultivation of crops like maize has been done, which looks golden when the maize plants are or the fruits of maize are ripened. Sona Kanase, the poet has said Sona Kanase to the maize. अशा गावाच्या सवाष्णी गोड गायतिया धालो दिवजांच्या वातीतून फुले आबोलीचा झेलो. सवाष्णी मीन्स मॅरिड वुमन. गायती मीन्स they sung. धालो, धालो is a traditional dance and song. दिवजा, दिवजा is a festival of lamps and aboli is one of the flower. The married woman in the village sings folk songs called dhalo with the lighted lamps in their hands and wearing abolim flower garlands. Video of explanation in Marathi of the poem माझी डोंगरी डोंगरी is already uploaded on Excel Tuition Goa board channel. If you find this difficult to understand, then watch video in Marathi. मराठी भावार्थ और स्पष्टीकरण व्हिडिओ इन मराठी ऑन एक्सेल ट्युशन गोवा बोर्ड. रोंबटाच्या उधाणीत फुले गावचे इंत्रुज, शिरंतरातून वाहे दिव्य दायजांचे ऊर्ज. During the time of Holi, the full village is busy in celebrating traditional Shigmotsav, that is Rombat. What they call Rombat shows the unity of villages when they plays the drums, shamer, ghumat, etc. and perform the Rombat. And the unity of village is seen during the Rombat, that is during that festival. Now we'll go to the last stanza, but before that, this is a very difficult poem to explain it in English. If you like the explanation, then kindly share to your friends and like my efforts if you like it. We'll go to the last stanza. अशा अमृतभूमीत आम्ही जन्मलो वाढलो, घेत भिंगऱ्यांचे पाय जगभर शिवरलो. The poet is grateful that he is born in this divine, blessed, immortal land. Amrut Bhumis. These words are often used to express one's deep love, gratefulness, or pride for his motherland. And poet thinks that because of this experience in villages, he can survive anywhere in the world, and he is proud that he has brought up in this Dongari village. Dhanyawad. Thanks for watching. Marathi explanation to this poem is also uploaded on Excel Tuition Goa Board channel. Do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Dhanyawad. Thanks for watching.